In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off keyboard click sound on iPhone. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, to not enable or disable the click sound on keyboard, you just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the sounds and haptics here, and then scroll down and tap on keyboard feedback. Here we get the both options. So if you want to disable, you can turn off both of this option, or if you want to enable this, you can enable this option from here as well. And also you can only use the keyboard sound, and also you can only use the haptics as well. And this is how you actually can use or customize the keyboard sound on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.